Hello guys, welcome back to Jay's Journey. Today at Istanbul, we are going to do something interesting. We know that Turkey is famous for its kebabs, but what they do to their fish is really insane. So we will be settling the ultimate debate, the classic Turkish grill versus a dish so secret that it has to be cooked in a sealed tomb and smashed open with a hammer. So for the first dish, we are going to start at this grilled fish. Looking at this live grill in front of your face, the hot frying pan is creating lots of delicious sounds to me. You know, back in the days, in Turkey, seafood is not a food, it's a legacy. This street used to be the main hub for fishermen to trade, to cook. They are exposed to lots of different types of fish. For this bite-sized pan-fried fish, they are the famous small fish, perfectly golden. It's great for one fish as a bite, and this is one of the dishes that I have ordered also. Keep watching because we're gonna try these two types of fish later and follow up with a secret dish. So right now, our grilled fish is finally done. So is our pan-fried mini fish. Let's start the first bite ever with our grilled fish. Seasoning is simple, just some fresh lemon and some pepper if you like it. And it is awesome in taste, very fresh. The best part of having the entire fish to yourself is that you can choose to eat any parts you liked. The tender one, the tasty one, the crispy one, up to you, your choice. For me, I'm going to start with the back of the fish. Another delicacy part is the fish eyeball. I don't know about you guys, but this is a favorite part of mine. Right, let's finish the grilled fish by attacking the skin with heavy salt and pepper. This is where the real flavor lies, right? I view the grilled fish skin as a top delicacy part of the entire dish. If you aren't eating the skin, are you even eating the fish? Now let's dig in. Look at how easily this whole piece of fish skin just came off. It shows that it's not overcooked. The collagen is still intact, which gives it a gel-like texture. Next up is our bite-sized pan-fried fish. Every one of these fish is small, mini, and perfect for one bite. One fish, one bite, that's the rule. The mini bones of these fishes are crunchy like a snack. Totally awesome. The grill was solid, but it's time to go to the second shop. I've been told that there's a richer here. In this shop, there is the unique point here. Stick around for another 60 seconds because there's a time where the pot and here should break and the aroma will be so strong that it literally fills the entire street. Keep watching. Right, so the things just got a bit weird. The chef is using a bit of salt as a base and he just lit the entire base on fire and he started drawing all these weird symbols on the salt while they are all singing a local Turkish song. It seems to be a local ritual, maybe to bless the meal, I don't know. But the vibe is interesting. Let's just keep watching and participate to see what's next. Now it's time for phase 2. They are wrapping the pot like a prisoner and I'm wondering when I will get my meal. But well, let's play along. So there's more salt drawing and it seems like they are inviting me to break the pot. Well, no big deal for me, no issues. I'm game to participate. Need my pot of fish after all. Well, it should be simple, right? I just gotta aim at the pot, hit at the correct angle. What could go wrong? So let's go. 3, 2, 1, smash! Yes, I hit the jackpot. And now, look at that. It's like a flavor bomb that just explodes. The aroma is gushing out. It's earthly, it's salty, it's steaming hot. Definitely colorful too, with all the pepper and tomatoes that stewed along with the fish. Time for the taste trial. Now look at this rice. It's definitely cooked with nuts and fruits because it smells very fruity and nutty. It's very nice. I'm gonna mix it with some of the fish soup to see how it tastes. There's lots of tomato and chili in the soup, so it's definitely sour and spicy. Gonna give it a good kick this entire bite. Eggs is the highlight of the dish, which is definitely the fish, of course. After being stewed for hours, I bet it's really tender and the flavors of the vegetables should merge deep inside it. Okay, now looking back at both dishes, my conclusion is that the grill was a classic, but the pot smash is an experience. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and I promise you more travel content.